Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm bringing you guys a watch me work video on my own nails. I'm doing a springy / summer look. I hope you guys enjoy this. So getting right into the video, I am taking my mandrel bit and just prepping my nail beds. I'm doing the same process that I normally do when prepping my nails. I am lightly buffing off the shine of the natural nail bed. And then once I'm done with that, I'm taking my needle bit and just going in that cuticle area, making sure I am getting all of the dead skin cells off of that area, as we do not want to cause any lifting. Now I'm going right in and gluing my tips onto my nails. I'm using the Not Polish Universal tips. These are freaking amazing. I normally say this when I use them. It creates such an easy way to go from stiletto to coffin, and very minimal shaping is needed. So I highly recommend these. Now I'm just taking my little craft scissors and cutting off the tip of these tips, as I do like my nails very, very long. I am going to mention this because I always get called out on it. I do my thumbs shorter because I want to be able to unbuckle my son and do day-to-day stuff. Just easier to cut them shorter and be able to function using my thumbs. So I went ahead and blended the tip to the natural nail bed, and now I'm just cleansing with my Young Nail Swipe and a lint-free wipe, which is included in my Amazon storefront. Now I am prepping using my Young Nails Protein Bond. I do 2 coats of this to ensure no lifting. I'm going ahead and prepping all 10 fingers. Now getting straight into the acrylic nail art. I'm taking Not Polish Lemon Drop. It is number 66. Such a pretty color. Highly recommend this for the spring, as it is a lighter tone. And then I'm taking Glow Getters. This is from the Glow collection from Not Polish as well. Do not forget to use code VEE88 for a discount. I highly recommend their stuff. These colors are so easy to blend. As you can see, I blended it so easy, and it just is such a flawless blend. So highly recommend these for any ombres. Now I'm taking Nude Panther and just using that towards the cuticle. Now for my middle finger, I am taking this pretty glitter blend from Dulce Nail Sprinkles. Check out her stuff. The glitters are so pretty. This was a limited edition blend for the Nailboxy subscription box that I am a part of. Check that out as well if you guys are interested. They send you out all kinds of different nail art, nail products every month. It's always different. So I'm just taking that blend and just placing that onto the nail. I decided to go for the clear look, so I'm just making sure that I am hiding that part wherever the tip meets the natural nail. I put clear acrylic as a base for the butterfly to adhere to it, and then I added another little layer to kind of encapsulate it, and then I went ahead and took my Nude Panther once again and just ombreed that down into the glitter. For the next finger, I'm doing that ombre once again using Lemon Drop and Glow Getters. So now I'm just taking a little ball of clear acrylic and placing that in that middle section. I'm going to be adding a few little butterflies just as a cute little accent. And then I am placing some chunky glitter around those butterflies. That chunky glitter is called Ever After, and this is from Lua Beauty. She sent these to me and it is absolutely beautiful. It's like a neon pink with gold hues. And then I paired that as well with Not Polish Laser Beams. Both glitters have the exact same hues. One is just chunkier, and then the Not Polish one is a lot finer. So I love that they matched each other perfectly. So I went ahead and paired those together. And then I'm just adding a little bit onto the clear part of the nail bed as well. So for the pinky, I'm going to leave more of a clear look. I'm taking glow getters with clear acrylic and just marbleizing that in the center. And I'm also taking lemon drop and marbleizing it around the pink. I took a little bit of the Nude Panther and kind of covered the cuticle part to kind of give the illusion of a tiny little ombre. So for my tiny little thumb, I'm just taking some more clear acrylic and adding it to the center of the nail. And then I'm adding that chunky butterfly mix into that section and kind of just spreading out the butterflies, kind of looking at it and seeing where I liked it best. And then I added more of the Ever After glitter and kind of placed it around the butterflies. And I'm taking Nude Panther once again and ombreing that down into the glitter. And y'all should be proud of me. I'm actually including my non-dominant hand, so you're going to be able to see a little glimpse of how I do that with my left hand. This is so fun, and I know every nail tech that does their own nails knows this struggle. But luckily, I've been doing it for so long, so I'm kind of good at it, kind of, sort of, a little bit. Just taking those three colors and ombreing them together as I did on my other hand. Keeping it simple for the pinky. Now, you guys know I like to mix and match my nails, so for this hand, it's going to be a different pattern than I did on the other hand. I'm taking that same marbleized look that I created on my other hand, and then I'm just going to be adding the butterflies and both of the glitters. So it gives it kind of a little different look, but it's still very cute. And then I'm taking that same Nude Panther and adding that to the cuticle area and kind of blending that out. And then I did add a little bit more glitter on top of that just to give it a little different vibe. Now for the middle finger, I'm taking the orange and the pink and blending them together as well. And then I'm adding the chunky glitter and the fine glitter just on top of that to give it a more sparkly look. So I like to tell everybody that if you are terrified to use bright colors, I always recommend to use nude with it. It tones it down a ton, and this is the perfect example. I'm putting it into perspective. So whenever you use bright colors and you ombre nude into it or you add nude into it, it tones it down a ton. So as you can see my pinky on this hand, the pink looks a lot more lighter because we're ombreing that nude into it. And then you're gonna see on this middle finger how the pink just looks a lot more vibrant. So if you want a bright color and you are scared to do bright colors, ombre some nude on there and you are good to go. It is what got me into doing all these crazy colors that I do. I used to solely stick to nudes, and it drove me crazy because it was just so simple. So I do highly recommend this. Now for the index finger, I am just taking some of those butterflies and adding it onto the tip, and then I'm ombreing down that Nude Panther. And for the thumb, I'm once again just doing that ombre using the orange, pink, and nude Panther. And then I'm just adding some of that chunky glitter into the middle section, just placing it randomly on there to give it a little bit of sparkle. Now we're just taking clear acrylic and encapsulating our work. We want to protect our nail art from any filing we are going to be doing afterwards. I like to create my nail art and nail designs very thinly, as you do save a lot more product that way. And then I just build up the rest of the thickness with clear acrylic. I do recommend this because one, you save product. Two, clear is on the cheaper side, so you are saving money when it comes to doing these type of nails. So I highly recommend you guys do that. I mentioned it before in my other videos. I'm using my go-to Kupa number 10 Divinity Sculptor brush. Highly recommend this. Check it out if you guys are interested. I love this brush and it's going strong, so highly recommend it. Once we are done encapsulating our work, I am taking my safety carbide bit, my go-to. I will link it down below as well. Using my Young Nails e-file, I have it at a speed of about 8,000 to 9,000 RPMs. I'm just going around the cuticle and onto the surface of the nail just to smooth out any imperfections. I do this very gently as I do not want to remove bulk product. I am just trying to smooth out that surface. I'm going to do this on all 10 fingers. Taking my peel and stick hand file from Tammy Taylor, I'm going on the sides of the nails, perfecting that shape. And then once I'm done going on the sides of the nail, I like to take that hand file because my nails are long. I'll take that hand file and just go on top of the surface of the nail. So as you can see, I'm going on the sides and then I'm just going over the top of the surface. I'm doing this to ensure that it is completely smooth. I have more mobility and I'm more stable when I'm using my hand file. And of course, I am going over it with my sponge buffer. I do recommend this, especially with long nails. This fully ensures that everything is nice and smooth and you will be able to see the imperfections. So if you have any lumps, you can go ahead and fix that. I'm taking my swipe and my lint-free wipe and just cleansing the nails once I'm done filing. And now we are top coating with my Not Polish Gloss It, and then I cure for 1.5 to 2 minutes just to ensure that everything is nice and cured. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below. And if you guys create any recreations of this set, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I will share your post onto my story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time.